Hi, class. Now you know that was just ridiculous. The thing cut off as my little animation was starting. So anyway, this little ball is gonna bounce around. And what it's doing is based on the age, the average age of the participants, you can see the the average size of the amygdala. So anyway, the last person to be in the group is participant 18, and he or she was scanned at age 30, and his or her amygdala is kind of small compared to everybody else's. So anyway, this is really fun to use PowerView. My students at Baruch really love it, and I knew that you would enjoy seeing something like this. So see you tomorrow, and we'll talk about this soon. Ciao.